Hello and welcome to FG Rides, coming from beautiful New York, USA. I just picked up the classic 350 after the collision damage was repaired. I've only gone 0.6 of a mile. Seems all right so far. I got over 200 miles ahead of me to get home. So that should suss it out. Honestly, though, it doesn't feel wrong at all. I thought the handlebars were bent when I brought it in. That's how it felt. But they told me the handlebars weren't bent. It was just that the forks were tweaked and made it feel that way. Just judging from the signs and the number of carcasses I see, Schenectady is infested with deer. This is instructive. These hills. I put a DNA filter kit on this motorcycle a few hundred miles after I had broken it in, past the first stage. So it had maybe 500 to 600 miles on it. And I've been riding it like that ever since. When you're just tooling around, you don't notice I took it back off. I returned the bike to stock in every way except one little way before I took it to the shop, because I didn't know whether I was going to get it back or not. I didn't know whether it was going to be repaired or totaled. Let this guy by me. Go ahead, buddy. So I'm riding it home now. I like that. With the stock air filter in. You don't notice it, the difference. Yeah, just, low speed tooling around in town. But out here on the road, when I get to the hills, that's when I notice it. The DNA is just so helpful on the hills. Of course, it'll be going back on. Shohari, I think that's how you pronounce it. Never know. New York people tend to pronounce some of the names in unexpected ways. That's not a criticism, just an observation. Matter of fact, I think that's all right. They kind of make, really make them their own. North Blenheim. Or is it Blenheim? Oh, yeah. Whoa, just drops off there. Ooh, very nice. Very nice church. Oh, I like that. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, just fantastic. Bigfoot says slow down. No, he says please slow down. Bigfoot. He's asking. He's polite. He's a gentlefoot. I've been riding over an hour and a half straight on this classic 350 with the stock seat on it. I don't have the touring seat on it. That's at home. And it's fine. I still don't need to get off. Oh. What a wonderful thing, though. What a wonderful thing to be on this classic 350 again. No traffic. Keep going, Jorge. When I was looking at the maps, that was a shortcut actually that went down through there and crossed that bridge, and I did not take that, or I decided not to take it because I was looking at Street View at the bridge. One of the things I check if I'm planning a route, and a metal grate bridge, I just wanted to avoid it. I nearly crapped my pants once when I hit one of those at speed. It was like the motorcycle just, and that wasn't this motorcycle, it was a Honda Interceptor. It felt like it danced its way across the bridge. It wasn't even a two-step, it was like doing a four-step. Hey now, look at that. Chrysler? Oh, neat, neat, neat. I went across one recently, a metal grate bridge, and it was okay. They must have had all the grids properly aligned, or it was a different design. But some of them, oh no, they throw you around. Oh, not good. Not good! Little over halfway home, I think. Still in New York State, along old Route 17. New Route 17 is a little bit that way. The Classic 350 is performing flawlessly. There is absolutely nothing weird about it. I haven't detected the slightest difference from when it was new. Rock solid, stable, straight, true. Royal Enfield of Albany did a great job with it. I really had my doubts about riding it again. I was sure I was going to get rid of it, even if it was fixed. But they did a great job. Michael, who worked on it, he's the one that repaired it, and Cassie, who went through all the BS with the insurance company and getting the parts and specs for Michael, etc. Just fantastic. Thank you both if you watch this. I'm going to write them a note in case they don't watch this. I don't know why they would. But good job. Thank you. Love the bike. Love it. I feel like I love it more now than ever. It's been a fantastic ride so far. Great. Well, let's get going. Ha! I had planned to ride this classic 350 cross country to Las Vegas. The plan was made before the bike got hit, and it was down past the deadline to go. My wife and daughter were going out to visit her father. They fly. I don't. I haven't. Maybe I will someday. And besides, I thought it would be a lot of fun. This trip down from Schenectady, New York, to my home is giving me a taste of what it would have been like. And I really, really wish I could have gone. I bought the Hunter in time that I still could have made the trip on a motorcycle, but it didn't feel right exactly. Like I said to my wife, I could have done it. It would have been fun and adventure, but it wouldn't have had the level of romance that riding this 350, this classic 350 across the country would have had.
Yeah. Beautiful bike.
Thank you. Holy shit. That's the Nicholson Viaduct. Nicholson, Pennsylvania. Impressive structure. Listen to me, I got you in structure. 1700. Little cat, where were you?